which variety of strawberry plants brings ornamental value, produces abundant fruit, and lends itself to inner ease, beauty, and confidence. Hello there, and welcome to Calm Gardening Delights. This video is about discovering a variety of strawberry plant that is not only beautiful to look at, which produces abundant fruit as well. Being a feel-good self-nurture video, this session is also an open invitation to explore mind-body connection through delightful mindfulness. You are encouraged to let go of any worry, any stress, and just be here and now with my voice and this beautiful strawberry plant. You may have heard that a smile can release the endorphins in the body. Let us allow a soft smile on the lips, and we'll try to keep that smile as we relax with this beautiful plant. At the end of the session, you'll find out the name of this strawberry plant, and importantly, you may feel positive emotions such as ease, beauty, elegance, delightfulness. Let us now give our full attention to the leaves. How many can you see in a cluster? Well, I can see 3. They are kind of round leaves, and they come in a cluster of 3. In some Asian cultures, round leaves that come in a cluster of 3 represent good fortune and prosperity, stillness, silence, ease, effortless ease. Where else might we find ease? I'm aware I made a mistake just then. I'm going to let it go, and we'll continue. Where else might we find ease? Ease of the mind, ease of the body. Look at her. Beauty, elegance, and an air of confidence, relaxed confidence. How might we connect to this beauty, elegance, and confidence? This plant is exactly 12 months old. I got this as a seedling in late autumn 2020 in Melbourne, Australia. Look how it's grown in just 12 months' time. In summer, there was an abundance of fruit, And in late summer, the first couple of runners appeared, and I was delighted to see some baby strawberry plants. I was going to plant them, and I got busy and I left it. More runners were produced, and then in a matter of 3 weeks, this pot of strawberry has grown into a piece of living visual art. The runners are about 1.5 meters long now. The name of the strawberry is Fragaria ananassa. If you're interested in growing one and you can't remember the name, it doesn't matter. You just go to a plant store and ask for a variety that produces abundant runners. Such beauty, such ease, such elegance, and relaxed confidence. How are you feeling now? Is there a word or image or idea that you have resonated with in this video? Next time when you eat or see a strawberry, or their round leaves, or decide to grow one yourself, you may find yourself connecting to that word, image, or idea. Just this effortless ease and beauty, utterly delightful. We are coming to the end of the video. Till next time, wishing all of us ease and beauty.